Dusty Roberts. I'm the team leader here at Luv-A-Rug, and you know we love it when we get reviews from our clients. And I'm going to read this review to you in a sec, but I wanted to say something. When a rug isn't cleaned and dried properly, it can often get very smelly and stinky, and we can fix that problem. So here's a story about somebody that had a rug cleaned by a restoration company, one that's probably better at restoring the building rather than the area rugs. The rug that we got back from Luv-A-Rug was not the same smelly rug that the restoration company had returned to us after drying it and storing it until the repairs in the basement from the water damage were complete. The sour smell from the rug was so severe we could not leave it in the house. We considered even taking it to the dump, but decided to see if Luv-A-Rug could resurrect it. Steve inspected the rug carefully, said it had not been dried properly, hence the strong sour smell. After 3 much needed washings and proper drying, the rug was returned to us in less time than the estimated timeline. We now have a rug that looks as good, if not better than the day we bought it, and completely odor-free. We are very happy with our new rug. We appreciate Steve's honesty about the cost to clean the rug and his willingness to speak with the insurance adjuster if necessary. Your company's customer service is definitely 5 stars. Thank you, Marion M., Victoria, BC. You know, when you're looking for someone to do your area rug cleaning, do your research. There's way too many people are what we call Me Too carpet cleaners or Me Too restoration companies even that really aren't qualified to take care of the special rugs. So if you have a problem with a rug, maybe you were disappointed with the last time it was washed, maybe it came back stinky, we can fix it for you. I'm Dusty Roberts with Luv-A-Rug, always here to help you get more out of your rugs.